Welcome back, boys and girls. Now it is math time. Are you ready to see some numbers? Yes, the past days we've been working so hard with our numbers 1 through 10, and today we're going to do it differently. Today we're going to have a read aloud for math time. Yes, a read aloud for math time. So today I'm going to read a story from the books we have from pre-K, and most of the pre-K students in the county are reading this book. They have listened to this book, or they might read it today or tomorrow. So get ready with your listening body. I want you to focus on the story. You're going to see numbers in this story. And of course, since we are talking about zoo animals, you're going to see a very famous zoo animal. Okay, you ready? So I'm going to share my screen with you now. Get ready to see your story. Okay, let's see. There's your story. I just have to cross this out. Okay, it won't go away. So let's read this story now. You ready? Okay, let's read this story called The Five Silly Monkeys. The title of the story is Five Silly Monkeys. I wonder why these monkeys are called silly. Okay, so get ready. Five Silly Monkeys by Rachel Barkovic. Ooh, that name sounds familiar. Do you remember her? She is the photographer from the big book called Welcome to Zippity Zoo. Yes, she was the photographer of that big book. So now she's the author of this book. Let's read her story about five silly monkeys. Five silly monkeys swinging on a vine. Let's count the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Laughing in the treetops, everything was fine. But then the wind blew. Shh. One monkey fell. There were 5. Remember, there were 5. Now there are 4. One monkey fell. So let's count the monkeys up the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's that little monkey there hiding. 4 silly monkeys swinging on a vine. Laughing in the treetops, everything was fine. But then the wind blew. Shh. One monkey fell. There were 4 monkeys. Now there are 3 because one monkey fell. So now 3 monkeys were left on the tree. Let's count those monkeys. 1, 2, 3. And there's the number 3. 3 silly monkeys swinging on a vine, just being silly and having a grand time. Laughing in the treetops, everything was fine. But then the wind blew. Shh. One monkey fell. There were 3 monkeys. Now there are 2. Oh, another monkey fell. There's the number 2, and those are the 2 monkeys left on the tree. 2 silly monkeys swinging on a vine. Laughing in the treetops, everything was fine. See? Very, very silly monkeys. Still laughing, even if, some of their friends fell off the tree. They're still laughing and just having a great time. But then the wind blew. One monkey fell. There were 2 monkeys, remember? And now there is 1 Look at that number one and look at that monkey all by himself up on that tree. Where are my friends? I'm all by myself. Let's see what's going to happen. One silly monkey swinging on a vine. Uh-oh. Look, only one monkey left on that tree, but still being silly and having fun. Laughing in the treetops, everything was fine. But then the wind blew. Shh. The monkey fell. No more monkeys. That's the end of this tale. And boys and girls, that's the end of that story or tale, as what the author said it. This is the picture of the author. That's Miss Rachel. And this is Mr. Mazzali. He is the illustrator. So let's talk about that story. Let's see. Let's go back to this one. I'm going to end that screen time now. And let's talk about that story we just had. So boys and girls, let's see if you listened to the story very well. What was that story all about? The 5 silly monkeys? You're right. Yes, it was all about the 5 silly monkeys. Now, what were they doing up on the tree? Why are they being silly? Or why are they silly? Yes, they're what? Hanging on the tree, swinging on the vines, right? Just being silly and just having fun. Now, what happened to the monkeys in the story? Talk about it with your mommy or daddy or whoever is with you. So what happened to the monkeys in the story? I want you to retell the story using your fingers. There were 5 little monkeys in that story, right? So use your fingers to retell the story of the 5 silly monkeys. As one monkey, or as the monkeys are doing silly stuff up on the tree, the wind blew. And then when the wind blew, one monkey fell. So as one monkey falls off the tree, you're going to fold one finger each until no more monkeys are left on the tree. So retell that story, and I want you to look at your numbers again. Look at the number line you did yesterday. I saw wonderful works on Google Classroom, and I want you to look back at your number line and look at those numbers 1 through 10. If you can practice writing those numbers again, the better. Remember, we have to get ready for kindergarten. So boys and girls, that ends your math lesson today. It's just a story. It's just a review of your numbers. And we added a character from our theme, zoo animals, right? We saw the monkey, and a monkey is a famous zoo animal. So boys and girls, work on those numbers, okay? You don't have any assignment for today, but I want you to practice writing those numbers, and you can sing our number songs from YouTube, okay? Bye for now. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.